Let's talk about the latest launched Huawei smartphone Nova 12 SE. Now let's talk about the specification of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. The phone features with OLED display, with 6.67-inch Full HD Plus punch hole display, with resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, and with 20:9 aspect ratio, with 91.85% screen to body ratio, with approximately 395 ppi pixel density, and with 90 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 108 megapixel main wide-angle camera, along with 8 megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, and 2 megapixel macro camera. For selfies it has 32 megapixel wide-angle camera located punch hole in the center, video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on exclusive optimized version of EMUI 14 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.4 GHz quad-core Cortex-A73 plus 1.9 GHz quad-core Cortex-A53, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 684G chipset, paired with Adreno 610 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB of RAM, and 256 GB of onboard storage, no micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 162.39 by 75.47 by 7.39 mm, and it weighs around 186 grams, and the color options black, white, green colors to see in this smartphone. And the device comes backed by a massive 4500 mAh battery, with 66 watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, USB Type-C audio jack, and a USB Type-C charging port, NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Huawei Nova 12 SE has been priced for 8 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 1,199 UAE dirhams. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Huawei Nova 12 SE smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.